Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In this video, I will explain you about the speaker problem in your device Vivo T1 5G. But firstly, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now let's move towards the video. If you are having any issue regarding your speaker of your device, you can solve this by the method as I am showing in this video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve Vivo T1 5G speaker problem. So now let's watch the video and solve the issue.